So this is day one of our daily homeschool field trips for the next few weeks until we leave Arizona. Today we are at Ape Index. This is a rock climbing facility. If you guys have homeschoolers like I do, then you know how important it is to make sure that they're getting daily exercise. So here the instructor, she's basically just putting on their harnesses, making sure everybody was safe. And then they had to do a quick little briefing to make sure they knew exactly what to and what not to do. After that, this is Ava. She's doing rock climbing. She absolutely loves it. If you guys have some homeschoolers that are running up and down and you're trying to figure out a way for them to burn some energy, definitely take them rock climbing after this. They were totally poop, but she made it to the top. I was super proud of her. With the rock climbing, they also had where they could like do some, I don't know if this is called balance beaming, but they were balancing. Well, they were trying their best. This was very, very difficult because obviously the ropes were moving, but they had a blast doing this, and I'm sure your homeschoolers will have a blast too. After that, they did a little bit more rock climbing until we headed out. I thank you guys so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for the next field trip. All right.